Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fully reset Cursor AI code editor tool. So by this I mean that I'm going to remove everything. I will remove user settings, I will remove the previous history, the last session. Also I will remove the extensions which have been installed. Okay, so now in order to do that, what I need to do first, I need to go to the view. I will first remove user settings. Okay, go over here and you will type user settings. Type just user settings, open user settings. You will type open user settings and you will see this JSON. Just open this JSON file and remove everything whatever you have in the curly bracket. Okay, so everything, now everything has been removed, and click save. Control S, type Control S. Okay, it is saved. Or go over here and type and just click save. Now just close this over here. Now the next step is just close this application and go over here, and in the search bar you will type cursor and just right click, open to file location. After that go to the roaming folder, and in the roaming folder you will search for cursor. Okay, now I want to remove the cursor folder from this roaming folder. Just do it, delete. It has been removed. After that go to the local and just search for cursor. There is no folder in the local. Okay, just leave it as it is. Okay, now next step is to remove extensions. So whatever extensions I have installed, I don't want it right now, I want to remove it. So go to the users and then go to the your user. My user is Saad Qureshi. If I go and just go to the command prompt, and you will see users and the name of my user. Okay, you will have a different user, and then afterwards search for dot cursor and go to the extensions and remove everything whatever you have in the extension folder. Remove everything, delete. It will be deleted. Okay, once it is deleted, the next step is to open the Cursor AI application. So go to the search and just type cursor and open the application, and now you will see the brand new cursor application. Okay, brand new. So now I'm going to click skip and continue. Skip and continue. Okay, I'll choose this cursor dark theme. Continue, continue, and just click and continue, continue. Okay, look, brand new Cursor AI code editor tool. Everything has been reset. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.